Jai Hind. Here is given a problem. The problem is given here. ABC is triangle and we have to find this height. It means the perpendicular distance from vertex A on side BC. So this altitude we have to find out. There is given the triangle has parallel lines. Naming, we giving the naming BC, then DE, then FG, then HI, then JK. These marks we have mentioned, and now in this triangle we are drawing altitude from vertex A on JK, and this vertex, suppose this JK is H height, is altitude H, and since this is H, then on height this is 1, this is H plus 1, therefore this is H plus 1, therefore so it means height from the vertex A on H is H plus 1, and we assume height from vertex A from on JK is H. So after it there is two similar triangle. Let us see the solution. In the given solution there is two similar triangle AJK is similar with triangle AIH. Why? Because angle similarity. Why? Because angle A is common in both triangle, and angle AJK is equal to AIH. Alternate corresponding angle. Why? Corresponding angle in parallel line. So these two are corresponding angle, therefore they are equal. So by AA similarity, both triangle are similar. Therefore we can write similarity property. So smaller triangle's base is 3. Therefore by corresponding part of similar triangle CPST, we can say that JK upon IH equal to, suppose this is L and this point is M, so AL upon AM. This is the CPST. So we plug in the value. JK is given here 3, IH given here is 5, AL is, we are assuming H, and AM is assuming H plus 1. It is H plus 1. Now calculating H by cross multiplying. So it will give us cross multiplying 3 times H plus 1 equal to 5H. So bracket opening, 3H plus 3 equal to 5H. So transposing the H, so 3 equal to 5H minus 3H. So 2H equal to 3. So H is 3 by 2. So it means 1.5. H is 1.5. So after finding the H 1.5, next we are considering triangle different triangle. Now we are considering two triangle and naming is AIH, triangle AIH similar with triangle AFG. Why? Angle similarity. Again we can say angle A equal to angle A common, and angle AIH is equal to angle AFG, corresponding angle. Therefore by CPST again we can say IH upon FG equal to AM upon, suppose next point is N, so this height is also 1, so this point will be height is N, mark with N, so AN. So this is CPST. Plug in the value. IH is 5, IH is 5. So after plug in the value, 5 upon FG is 7, AM is H plus 1 plus 1, so H is 1.5, so it become 1.5 plus 1 plus 1 upon so first there is 1.5, so 1.5 plus 1 plus 1, so it gives us 2.5 over 3.5. It means cancel by decimal to decimal and then cancel by 5, it gives us 5 over 7. So we can in this way continuously solve. So by this way we can calculate the total height. So how? So total height is H plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. There is 4 1. So total height, suppose this is last point of total height, and this height can be calculated by H plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, H plus 4. This is H plus 4. So and suppose this point is O. So AO height, altitude from A will be equal to H plus 4, and H here is 1.5, so adding 4 with it, it gives us 5.5. So this is the answer. So by this method, if we want to find the base BC, then we can consider two triangle. Triangle name is AJK is similar with triangle ABC by AA similarity. By AA similarity, we can say AL upon AO equal to JK upon BC by CPST. Therefore plug in the value AL is, there is AL, that is H is 1.5. AO is, AO we have find out 5.5 equal to JK upon JK, here we know 3 and BC is not known. Now decimal cancel out, so it becomes 15 upon 55. 15 upon 55 equal to 3 upon BC. Cross multiplying, it gives us BC equal to 3 into 55. 15 BC equal to 3 into 55. Dividing both sides by 15, we get 3 into 55 upon 15. 3 cancels 15 5 times. 5 cancels 55 11 times. So BC is 11. So therefore we get two answers. One is BC equal to 11 and second is AO equal to 5.5. I hope you have understood, enjoyed in the solution. Okay.